changed faces in our political field, but the attitudes are still the same. It's just, it's always this, that's all we care about. The Native people, we came from this earth. The Creator created everything that you see here, one Creator. Some people call him God, some people call him Allah, some people call him Buddha, some people call him other names. We call him Maheo. Maheo is grandfather. He's our great-grandfather. Mother Earth, we call him Sky grandfather. So when I refer to grandfather, I'm not talking about my parental grandfather, I'm talking about the Creator. He gave us all this land. Told us that we do not own this land. We are only stewards here. But grandfather did one thing more. He sent the animals here first. He did not send man here because he knew if he sent man down here first, with all due respect, he'd screw it up.
We got saw the two heading out across, and then we saw the other two. And as we went back, he said they were just little ones. Yeah. They won't go far. They just made a circle and stopped. And here this other was coming back to pick them up.
Front and the back needed rotors and something.
Excuse me. Earrings, I don't know what she's wanting to get. You want the necklace?
Oh, I love those. He had a flat and everything, but took care of it. And then, they are.